We all have that relative or friend who keeps burping all the time. It is irritating, but it is normal if it happens once in a while. If it's happening too frequently, then there might be a health condition. Watch this video to know more. Now, burping is a natural act of the body emptying excess air through the mouth. But if this is happening too frequently, then it might be related to stomach or gut related issues. Number 1 is GERD, which is gastrointestinal reflux disease. This happens if your esophageal sphincter, which is a valve that stops stomach acid from flowing back, becomes weak. If this happens, you might experience a lot of burping and also acidic reflux along with the burp. Number 2 is H. pylori infection. This is a bacteria which affects the gut lining. H. pylori infection is associated with health issues such as bloating, burping, as well as peptic ulcer. Number 3, IBS or irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is a condition of the stomach where you might have digestion issues, bloating issues, as well as stomach pain. Burping is a major issue that you see with IBS. Number 4, gastroparesis. This condition is associated with delayed emptying of the stomach and is seen mostly in diabetics as well as people with neurological issues. Number 5, food intolerances. Certain foods don't go well with your stomach. You need to identify these foods and eliminate them. A major underlying reason for all these issues could just be a bad diet, and we at Sculpt can help you fix your bad diet with a sustainable nutrition plan. Forward this video to your friends or family members who might benefit from it. Follow us back so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing content. Stay active, stay fit.